Hello, my name is Alain Stas and I'm a product engineer for nonlinear thermistors at Vishay. Today I would like to show you how to modify a LT-SPICE micromodel simulation for an IC from Analog Devices by adding a SPICE model of a PTS RTD. When we open the micromodel simulation of the Analog Devices LTC2063 in LT-SPICE 17, we can see the following temperature measurement circuit. A differential input between a Vishay PTS SMD platinum sensor 1 kΩ, some fixed resistors, and a quad match resistor network LT5400 is amplified in order to produce a Vout voltage of 1 volt at 25 degrees C with a change of 10 mV per degree C. The PTC temperature sensitive value is modeled by a variable resistor of value equal to RTD. And by performing a simulation where we sweep RTD, it's easy to see that the LTC2063 output is changing in a linear way with the RTD value. However, in this basic form, the SPICE ambient temperature is not readily visible. We at Vishay also provide LT-SPICE models for PTS in function of the embedded SPICE temp variable. It is thus convenient to load these models, replacing the variable resistor by the model changing in a linear way with the SPICE variable temp. The Vout can thus now be expressed in function of the temperature, and we can also implement a voltage source representing the wished theoretical output, that is 1 volt at 25 degrees C and a variation of 10 mV per degree C. The difference between Vout and this voltage can be used in order to represent an error function whose RMS value can be minimized. We can implement a small calibration correction of the value of the feedback resistor by stripping it and finding the exact RFB value corresponding to a best least square fitting between the out voltage and the target output. We arrive at an optimal feedback value of 1.54 megohms instead of 1.58 megohms. This very slight change brings now a better least square fitting. Then we can push the fine-tuning further and give to all circuit elements a Monte Carlo tolerance. For the RTD, we will use a tolerance of plus or minus 0.3 degrees C at 0 degrees C and a tolerance on the slope of 5 millikelvins per degree C. For the fixed resistors, let's adopt a tolerance of plus or minus 0.1%. We can now make a run of, for example, 300 temperature sweeping simulations between minus 40 and 85 degrees C, showing the variation of Vout in function of temp for all these tolerances. And by comparing again the simulation output with the target voltage, we obtain an overall accuracy of nearly plus or minus 10 millivolt, thus plus or minus 1 degree C, on nearly the whole temperature range. If you have any remark about such simulation, please feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching.